This is a palm tree planted in Denmark in 2002. At that time it was only 75 centimeters high, and now it's almost like 5 meters, and it's really gorgeous. And here we have my entrance to the beautiful house in Copenhagen, and there's 3 more palm trees, and they were all planted in 2002 or 2003. And they are looking really good, and they are growing, and they put fruit out, so there's eventually new things coming out. And here you can see how it looks from the other side. Isn't it a nice entrance? And then there's spotlight underneath, so in the night time there's palm trees with light on. And here we have the other one from the other side. It's almost as big as my old apple tree.